Hello everyone, nice to see you once again. My name is NARA. Today I'm going to teach you about Go+to and for blah 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 ing or in. So let's see the example in the column together. I don't go to works on Saturday. We went to the cinema last night. Would you like to go for a walk? I often go for a swim before work. They go sailing at the weekends. We went skiing last winter. So let's see point go to. What is go to? Go to is meaning go to, like go to England, go to town, or go to the cinema. And let's see go for a blah blah blah. Go for a walk, go for a meal, go for a run, go for a swim, go for a drink, or go for a game of tennis. One more point. Go blah 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 ing. Go or ing. Go climbing. Go skiing. Go swimming. Go fishing. Go sailing. Go for a walk. Or go riding. Go bird watching. One more. Go plus ing with sports and go shopping. But we do not just go plus playing. Not we went playing tennis. So let's practice. 24. 24. Complete the sentence. You can see the picture cinema unit to planet H. Example, see this one. I went to the cinema last week. So the answer to and cinema. To and cinema answer. I went to the cinema last week. Number 2. See the picture, he's like running. So you can see I usually go for a run in the morning. I usually go for a run in the morning. So the answer is for and run. You fill in the gap. So let's see number 3. You can see many things like bag, like anything else. So my father often go. My father often goes shopping at the weekend. So this is the answer. Go shopping at the weekend. So this is the lesson that we study about Go+to and for blah 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 ing. So I hope that you can understand how can we use go to and go for and go blah 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 ing. So I think you can be understand what I'm teaching you, how to use the right grammar in English, and I hope that you will learn more from my channel. And please click the subscribe below to get more video. Thank you, and don't forget to like and comment on this video. Thank you so much.